Hello, welcome back to the Janome YouTube channel. I'm Janome Maker Michael Burson, and today I'm going to be showing you how to take embroidery designs and turn them into iron-on patches that you can use for costumes or your own fashion pieces. Haley and I recently attended a convention in Orlando, Florida called Holiday Matsuri, which is a holiday-themed con, and we thought it would be a lot of fun to do a How the Grinch Stole Christmas group with some of our friends. Haley went as Betty Lou Who, and I went as Lulu Who, and those are Cindy Lou's parents. Lulu Who has a pretty iconic robe in that movie that is covered with these candy cane designs. So in order to make this look for the convention, I decided that I would make some embroidery patches, figure out how to attach them to this white fluffy robe, and then go as Lulu to the convention. And I did it all on my Memory Craft 550E. So let's see how I did that. I purchased a candy cane design off of Etsy and uploaded it into the Janome editing software that comes with the machine. I used 505 spray to affix some tearaway stabilizer to the back of some white cotton fabric, uploaded the design into the machine, hit the start button, and it was all ready to go. The machine alerts you when it's time to change the thread color, and I placed 2 candy cane designs on each hoop so that it would save me time not having to re-hoop over and over again. Whenever it was ready, the machine shuts itself off, and I removed the tearaway stabilizer on the back of each candy cane. Cut them out carefully, making sure there were no raw edges, until I had a nice little collection of candy canes to start adding to the robe. I use Heat Bond Ultra Hold to create the patches. This means that I'll be able to iron them onto the robe. Following the instructions on the package, I turned off the steam and set it to a linen setting. Placed my candy canes on my cutting board and then pressed the iron over the design so that the sticky side would affix itself to the back of the candy canes. Then it's time to cut out the excess and peel off the paper backing. You see the sides are shiny. That's all of the adhesive that's now on the back. I then positioned them in various places along the robe and held my iron on top of them, melting the adhesive on the back of each candy cane, affixing it very nicely even to this fluffy robe. All of the candy canes stayed on very nicely for the whole project, and I'm really happy with how it came together. And here's the completed look for Lulu Who in his candy cane pajamas. I made the hat, had a lot of fun with the prosthetic nose. That was very fun to be a Who, and it was probably one of the more comfortable cosplays I've ever put together. Just getting to walk around in my pajamas was a whole lot of fun at Hallmat this year. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful in creating some embroidery patches to add to your own costume or fashion pieces. My name is Janome Maker Michael Burson. I hope that you'll give this video a like and comment below. If you have any questions, let me know. And check out the Janome channel for tons of other tutorials and videos from the other Janome makers. See you later. Bye.